Students at British International School have a reputation for being a helpful bunch. The Primary Schools Make a Difference campaigns not only better inform the kids of the iniquities that exist beyond school life, but also really do help to make a difference. Their latest fundraising campaign, however, hits much closer to home. A campaign that will, they hope, help one of their own, 5-year-old BISP student Hugo Barnhurst.
Hugo is a 5-year-old boy, very happy, a normal boy, except he's got disabilities due to this disease, mitochondrial disease. Mitochondrial disease is in your body there's millions of cells, and this the mitochondria is the one responsible for producing energy in your body and to your organs. So if it fails, then your organs will not work properly. It was when he was 2, we got the diagnosis, but I noticed when he was about 9 months he was not meeting the milestones. He wasn't walking yet, he wasn't crawling, he was just lying in bed and quite weak. We went from doctor to doctor, specialist to specialist. We did a lot of biopsies, a lot of tests, lots of that, until this specialist in Australia told us that he's got mitochondrial disease. It was devastating, really.
Look at the world, and you can see it isn't fair.
To help Hugo, teachers and students have banded together to raise funds for the Australian Mitochondrial Disease Research Foundation.
All decided that we will take a stand, look each other in the eye and lend a
Guided by their educators, the primary students created the Run for Hugo charity drive as this term's big Make a Difference project.
It's actually his teacher in kindergarten who's instigated all this, Miss Julie Notley. And yes, she's running this Laguna Marathon, so she rang me and said, let's do this awareness thing and spread the word and, do the charity donating to the AMDF, which is the Australian Mitochondrial Disease. So it was her idea, and the response is just tremendous. It's overwhelming.
But little did they realise at the time just how much love existed within the school community. Initial fundraising was spurred by the sale of Run for Hugo t-shirts, but such was the demand that delivery was delayed because the t-shirt printer could not keep up with the number of shirts that had been ordered. The endeavour grew with not only students joining the planned Run for Hugo at the school grounds, but teachers also chasing sponsorship to take part in the runs at Laguna Phuket International Marathon.
There's a whole bunch of us from BIS, parents, children and teachers running various races, marathons, half marathons, 10k, 5k and 2k races to raise money for the Mitochondrial Disease Foundation, the Australian Mitochondrial Disease Foundation. I've done 2 marathons before. My quickest time was 4 hours 23, so got to knock a few minutes off of it.
Look at the world, and you can see it isn't fair. On one hand we have hardship, while the other has no cares. We have all decided that we will take a stand, look each other in the eye and lend a helping hand, 'cause it's easy to watch it on TV, 'cause it's easy to watch it all pass by, 'cause it's easy just to turn the other way. But if we try, then we'll make a difference. Everyone among us, we all have hope inside. Friday we're doing a run for Hugo
To raise some money?
Yeah, the whole primary is running. Like we're gonna try to see how much laps we could do on that track.
And it's 250 meters long.
Yeah. And also you can get people to sponsor you for every lap you run. And then that goes to charity to help find a cure for mitochondrial disease.
If you would like to help with this very worthy cause, you can contribute to the fundraising at the link on the screen now.